So in the previous lecture, we have took a look at IDOR vulnerability. Let's take a look at another example, and for that, let's move on to our Kali Linux virtual machine. And now we are going to bwap here this time, and let's log in here that using that password b and bug. And if we log in here, don't save the password. As you can see, the security level is set to low, and what we are going to do is we are going to hack IDOR vulnerability. So let's look for IDOR vulnerability and scroll a little bit here, and as you can see, we have insecure door order tickets. So let's click on this and click on hack button, and now what you can see here, this is a ticket booking site. And how many tickets would you like to order, it is asking, and 50 euro is the price for per ticket. And if I click on I would like to order one ticket and click on confirm, it will show me the total amount charged by this website or this organization, that is 15 euro. And now if we modify this to 10 tickets, for example, if we want to buy 10 tickets and we confirm the order, as you can see, the total amount for the 10 tickets is 150 euro because of simple maths. Now let's intercept this request. Go to the Bob seat, turn on the intercept, and now if we type 100 tickets and if we confirm this order, now as we can see, we have ordered 100 tickets and after doing a basic maths, what would be the total amount for 100 tickets? That would be 1500 euros. Now what we can do is we can manipulate the price here. For example, this is the parameter, that is ticket underscore price equals to 15. That means the per ticket value is 15 euros. Let's manipulate this to 1 euro per ticket, or even we can do 0.1 euro per ticket. And if we forward this request and go to the website again, as we can see, for 100 movie tickets we are getting only 10 euros charged. And let's manipulate this even more, and if we order 1000 tickets and go to the Bob suite, turn on the intercept and confirm this request, and as you can see, for the 1000 tickets it is charging 15k euros. Now let's see with the Bob suite on. Let's go to the Bob suite, turn on the intercept and confirm this, and let's modify the request here, that is 0.001. Let's see what the price we will get. So if we forward this request, and for the 1000 tickets we are getting charged for only 0.1 euro. So that was interesting because we have set this to low security level. Now let's increase the security level, but first turn off the intercept and set it to the medium. Now book 10 tickets, confirm this order, and now as you can see, 150 euros for 10 tickets. Now go to the Bob seat and we have to turn on the intercept, go to the website again, and let's order 100 tickets this time and confirm this order. We have encountered something interesting. We aren't getting the parameter for ticket price, but it can be a hidden parameter and it is made hidden by the web developers. Now what we can do is we can manually modify the parameter, and it might be defined as ticket underscore price equals to, and then just enter the price whatever we want. And if we turn on the intercept, if we forward this request and go to the website, now as you can see, for the 10 movie tickets we have 10 euros charged. Now this was interesting, we have changed the parameter even though it wasn't available to us. Now let's see what we can do now. Now if we go to the Bob suite and turn off the intercept, and let's set this to higher settings, and now order 100 tickets, and now order 100 tickets here and go to the intercept, and if we turn on the intercept and confirm this, as we can see, we got the similar result as of the medium settings. And if we add a parameter here, because the parameter can be hidden, and that is ticket underscore price equals to 0.1 euro. And what we can do here is, since the settings are set to highest level, we can manipulate the security level that is present here. So if we make it 0, that is lowest level, and if we forward the request, as we can see, for the 100 movie tickets we are getting charged for 10 euros only, even though it was set at the highest level. And here what we have done is we didn't change any parameter, but we manipulated the security settings, and that's how you can manipulate IDOR vulnerability known as broken access control.